the Disaster News Network. Today is Thursday, May 29th. Hurricane season doesn't start until June 1st, but here we are looking at a potentially dangerous storm in the Atlantic. Given that it snowed in Washington, D.C. in late March, the weather this year doesn't seem to want to stick to the calendar. Now our meteorologist Janice Wallace is here to give us a brief history of the storm and fill us in on the details. Now, I know it's at least 4 or 5 days before it could impact the United States, but Janice, what do you know tonight?
Thanks, Brian. This past weekend, forecasters from the National Hurricane Center started monitoring a tropical disturbance off the western coast of Africa near the Cape Verde Islands. This disturbance became better organized and developed into Tropical Depression 5, which quickly increased in intensity and became Tropical Storm Cruella. They are getting cute with the names over there. Cruella then continued on a west-northwest track and strengthened into a Category 1 hurricane early Monday, May 26th. She intensified again yesterday to reach major hurricane status while located 1,300 miles east-northeast of Antigua.
Since this is so early, even before the start of the hurricane season, can you remind our viewers what the hurricane categories mean?
Oh, sure. The way storm surge, wind, and other factors combine determine a hurricane's destructive power. To make comparisons easier, NOAA's hurricane forecasters use a disaster potential scale called Saffir-Simpson, which assigns storms to 5 categories. This can be used to give an estimate of the potential property damage expected along the coast with a hurricane. As you can see on this graphic, a Category 1 is dangerous and can cause property damage, but a 4 or 5 will cause catastrophic impacts. The scale is based on maximum wind speed near the center of the storm. It also factors in storm surge and flooding, which are other indicators of the amount of damage it can cause.
All right, thanks for that, Janice. We appreciate it. Now, as always, we are keeping a close eye on this storm, and of course, we'll bring you updates and more information as soon as it's available.